Meta faces thousands of lawsuits. A federal court ordered the company and other tech firms to confront claims that their platforms fuel addiction. The decision could force major tech companies to confront widespread claims of addiction, potentially reshaping regulatory oversight and consumer protection in the digital economy. The ruling compels Meta and peers to answer the lawsuits, potentially reshaping regulatory oversight and protecting consumers from addictive design in the digital economy. The decision could force major tech companies to confront widespread claims of addiction, potentially reshaping regulatory oversight and consumer protection in the digital economy. The decision is based on one court ruling, and further appeals could change its scope until higher courts review, making the outcome uncertain. The ruling forces major tech companies to confront widespread claims of addiction, potentially reshaping regulatory oversight and consumer protection in the digital economy. Trump says Iran must pay compensation for those it has killed and wounded. The former president made the statement during a press briefing, calling for financial reparations for victims of Iranian actions. He framed the demand as a response to alleged Iranian aggression that caused casualties. The claim was voiced publicly on August 10, 2026, and was reported by Reuters. Following Trump's statement, the U.S. administration faces a potential new pressure point: Iran must pay compensation for casualties it allegedly caused. The demand could lead to further sanctions or diplomatic negotiations. The claim highlights a hardline U.S. stance toward Iran, potentially affecting future diplomatic relations. The exact amount and legal basis for the compensation remain unspecified. The statement may not translate into policy change, as it is subject to political negotiation. While Trump's demand signals a hardline stance, it remains unclear whether it will lead to new sanctions or diplomatic actions. The U.S. administration has not confirmed any concrete steps, and the legal basis for compensation is not yet established. The situation remains fluid and uncertain. Russia's top court bars the anti-war party from parliamentary vote, denying it the right to participate in the upcoming election. The Supreme Court ruled that the party's registration is invalid, preventing its candidates from appearing on the ballot. This decision follows a broader crackdown on opposition groups, tightening the Kremlin's control over political life. The ruling could face legal challenges, but it immediately removes the party from the electoral process. The court's decision limits political opposition in Russia, removing the anti-war party from the parliamentary vote. This move tightens the Kremlin's grip on domestic politics and may influence international perceptions of Russian governance. While the ruling could be challenged in lower courts, it immediately curtails the party's ability to contest seats, signaling a broader trend of restricted political pluralism.